the Wellness Lady, and I help busy professionals create a healthier life, home, and business one small change at a time. And today, I just noticed that. Today I want to share with you what's in my monthly wellness subscription box, because every month I put a shipment on my auto ship of different items that I want to stock for the next month. What I love about the auto ship program is I think of it as my shopping list for the month, and I just go in there and put the things I want for the next month in the cart. It's so flexible, you don't have to order the same thing every month. Some people think that, so I just want to clear up that confusion. But today's box is so full of some amazing products. I'm going to pull things out. I'm going to share with you what I have, why I ordered them, and a little bit about them. Who knows, you might want to put them on your order. You can just order things individually, or you can take advantage of our auto ship program and earn up to 15% back in loyalty rewards. It's so exciting. I already have over $600 worth of free products I can get because I've been using the loyalty rewards program with my auto ship. So my favorites, hey Lyndall, my favorites are the Shaklee Energizing Tea. I have one of these every single morning. It's a great natural blend of red, white, and green teas. It's pomegranate flavored. It also comes in just green tea, matcha tea. And this is such a great pick-me-up because it's a natural energy drink that doesn't have any negative side effects. It's all good benefits. It helps boost your metabolism. It's full of antioxidants. It's just a good nutritional treat. So I have these in my cart, and I love to give those out as samples. The second thing that I have is this hydration drink. These are little hydration sticks. It's an electrolyte mix that you just add to your drink, and that's going to help you feel better. It's another natural energy drink if you do any kind of sports, anything like that. Now, I just made, for my afternoon pick-me-up, I blended the two of these. I made a hot tea with this, and I added one of these sticks, and that's why I feel so amazing right now making this video. Also, keep in mind, when you're using natural products like these, especially like cold and flu season, when you start to feel run down, or if you've been sick and vomiting or diarrhea, one of the first things that happens is we get dehydrated, and that's what typically gets us in a lot of trouble with our health. That's where these hydrate sticks can be very, very helpful. So I love to keep those stocked. They're safe for children to use as well. The other thing I have are my snack bars. These are my favorites. They are chocolate coconut, and they are just wonderful. You get 9 grams of protein, as well as you get 3 grams of fiber, less than 7 grams of sugar, which is a really good ratio for a really healthy snack. And I like having these as well as these on hand. These are my meal replacement bars. My favorite flavor here is the white chocolate and cinnamon. It's my healthy fast food. It's also shelf stable food. So if right now you are putting together your disaster preparedness kits for like hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes, we should always have a couple weeks of food on hand, and these Shaklee food items are really good options to have on hand that are very nutritious. I mean, some people stock up on junk food when disasters are lurking around the corner, but why would we want to do that? We want to be our healthiest and our very best. The next thing I have are my Life Strips. These are my vitamin strips that are full of so many great vitamins. So these are the vitamins. I see the light's a little bright here. So that shows you it's got the multivitamin, a B and C complex, my fish oils, as well as my antioxidants that come in Vivix, which is repairs cellular damage at the DNA level. It's such an incredible product. I'm so thankful that I use that all the time. The other thing I put on my monthly auto ship is a sponge, because what a great reminder. When I get this one, throw the other sponge out, replace it, because that sponges can really harbor germs. So again, I have lots of these on hand. That's part of my feeling secure that I've got lots of good food. I'm going to show you these in just a moment. I'll go ahead and show them to you. These are my bottles for my cleaning products, my Cleaning Concentrate Basic H. This bottle right here, it replaces so many things that I used to buy before I learned about this, like window cleaner, all-purpose spray, bathroom cleaners, toilet cleaners, mopping the floor. I used to buy a different product for all that stuff. Look, you only need one really good product. This is concentrated. This makes, it's an organic cleaner. This makes like 5,000 bottles of window cleaner if you just put in the spray bottle as directed. I mean, you make it for pennies. You make your all-purpose for pennies, so it's amazing. So I have a couple of these because I'm doing a vendor event this month at one of the local gyms, and I want to have some of those on hand for people to take advantage of and buy. The other healthy fast food I have is to always have some protein on hand. So I bought some shelf-stable almond milk and soy milk. They come in the cartons. You know, be sure to stack up on those and have some protein shakes, some bars on hand, and that way you're going to have good nutritious food in the event of any kind of shortage of foods, those types of things that happen. The other thing I stocked up on because I'm sponsoring a boot camp for business owners all about learning about social marketing, and I'm one of the sponsors, so I'm going to give out these energy chews. This is a sports nutrition product that you chew. It tastes like a Starbucks. It's full of B vitamins and some green tea extract, so it gives you that boost of energy, but it also gives you focus. And I use it not just for right before my workouts to give that boost of energy, but if I'm going to be exerting my brain, like at a boot camp, then chew one of those and it just increases your focus. If you got a big test coming up. What else have we got in here? Nature Bright. This is one of my favorite laundry boosters. It releases enzymes that really help bring the dirt out of your clothes. It just whitens your whites, but you can use it on colors. You can even clean your toilet with it, your tubs. It's amazing. Vitamin C Boost. These are the chewable C's. If you have children, I'm going to try to adjust the lighting. The lighting there is really, really strong. Okay, maybe that's a little better. So, vitamin C is so important for boosting our immune systems. And I also use this product, one of my favorites. It's a little, I call it the Fizzy Tab. It's vitalized immunity. Not only does it have the vitamin C of 16 oranges in it, but it also has lots of vitamins and minerals and these herbs that are proven to boost our immune system, things like Japanese honeysuckle, all kind of great stuff. Look at the labels, they're incredible. But I drink one of these every single day, and when I travel, I make sure I have these on hand, and I am eating and drinking a bunch of these. What else have I got in here? It's all about immunity this week. Yes, Nutrifuron, amazing product. Boost our body's natural production of interferon, this product was created by the Nobel Prize winner in medicine, Dr. Kojima, who discovered interferon, went on to spend 40 years finding 4 plant extracts that will boost that natural production of interferon. If you know anything about interferon, the drug, then you know that it is a very important immune builder. MindWorks. Now, how many of us know people who are dealing with family members who have dementia or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's? We could be doing stuff right now for ourselves to help improve our brain health, and that's what this product is all about. It is proven in clinical studies to reduce brain shrinkage 30% than the control group for people who used it for 2 years. So it's an incredible, incredible product. Now, vitamin D. Lots of very good, important information about keeping our vitamin D levels up. It's good for bone health, but also immune health, as well as heart, metabolic, and immune system. Hey, if it's got it on the label, I guarantee you, I can tell you it works, because Shaklee, they vet every single thing that goes on these labels to make sure it is accurate and true. More Nutrifuron. And more Nutrifuron, because I do not want to run out of this amazing stuff. So I just want to let you know that's what's in my monthly wellness box this month. And I want to share with you in what's going on right now There's a lot of talk about the coronavirus, but I want to remind everybody that today, in today's world, heart disease is still the #1 killer of Americans. And so what we're doing with what we're eating, the supplements that we're taking, our lifestyle choices, these are things we can control, we can do things about. And also, we are in the midst of cold and flu season. Over 18,000 people have died of influenza in the United States this year alone. The very same precautions, washing hands, eating healthy, getting enough rest, managing our stress, and taking a sensible supplement program go a long way in helping us to do the things that we can do so that we can stay healthy. And so I want to let you know, I want to make an early announcement here that coming out tomorrow, I'm going to be sharing with you an immunity package that Shaklee has put together that's going to include a couple of these immunity products I've shared with you today, our wonderful hand wash soap, so that you can be washing your hands regularly like we're supposed to. Not worry about drying out your hands because it's full of so many wonderful natural products, essential oils and things like that. And then also our germ wipes and our basic G germicide, which does kill the human coronavirus. So I do want to let you know there's going to be a special offer tomorrow. I'm going to be launching. I'll share a live here tomorrow when that comes out and the link for how you can order it. But I also want to remind you that if you are already a Shaklee customer, a Shaklee member, maybe you got your membership 20 years ago and you haven't used it. With Shaklee, your membership is still good. There's no annual renewal fee. It's still good. So reach out to me and let me know if you need help getting in your account. If you want some help in learning how you can maximize your rewards in our loyalty program, or if you want to upgrade and become a distributor to save even more money, then just let me know. I'll be happy to share that with you. And always, always, always remember that I'm here to personalize your health recommendations, and I have over 27 years experience in helping myself, my family, my friends, and people I truly care about to get healthier one small change at a time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please like the video, comment below a takeaway that you got, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my page, and go visit my website, wellnesslady.com. Take care and have an amazing day.